Hey everyone, my name is Chandler. I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to set up bumpers on your dice in Blender, and more specifically how to set up a script and implement that script to do that for you, to save yourself a bunch of time instead of having to do this manually on each die. So, Ashley a while back posted an excellent video tutorial on how to set these up by creating meshes and applying bevels. So just real quick refresh for that. What we'd want to do is first go into edit mode, press 2 or click up here to select just edges, and I'm going to select all the edges I would normally want to use to create these bevels, or these bumpers, excuse me, and then I'm going to hit P and then separate by selection. So this is going to make, you can see the ones that are highlighted, only these are going to be converted here in a second. I need to convert these to a curve, and here in this curve I'm going to give them a bevel of 0.3 meters. Hey, that looks great, except for these are hollow, may or may not print very well, and so in order to get around that we can select them, go into convert to mesh, and add a Solidify modifier to these meshes of the exact same thickness, and apply, and now you can see these are hollow here. Great. But that can be a bit of a pain to apply to all of these. So after we've separated all the edges that we want to have place bumpers on, I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit. I've already applied or separated all of these out to what I would normally do. I can show you something fun, and that is Blender uses a bunch of Python commands to execute different modifiers here. So you can use those same commands, and I'll copy these below, to apply to whatever you have selected. And you can see very quickly we can move through what would normally take, at least certainly me, quite a bit of time. Now I'll also note, if you want a different size bumper, want it thicker, smaller, whatever, you can do so. For example, this script will make the same bumper but a little bit thinner here on the edges, 0.2 instead of 0.3. You can do that, or anything else. You can always take a look at what's going on here. This is normally reserved for the animation timeline, but you can go over down here and select Python console. And whenever you're normally making your modifiers or anything else, you can watch these commands get made down here. And so you can grab them and create your own scripts by doing that. Anyway, I'm curious to see what you guys do with it, and hope this helps someone else. Thanks. Have a nice day.